What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a snake with your hands. First, you put your hands together like this. Then you put these pinkies down. You're going to put these ones right here. Not all the way down like the pinkies, just right here. And the middle fingers are going to go like that to the side, and these drop down on the middle fingers. These fingers right here, where my thumb is at, they go on top of the fingers next to the pinky. Both of them do. And that goes on top of the eyes. The finger next to the pinky is the eye. And the thumb, you put those together and it looks like a snake.
And this is what looks like a snake?
Close. So that's your homemade snake.
I did a snake too.
He can talk to you. Hope you guys liked the video. Hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. Leave a like and see ya. Bye.